Eating healthy isn't just about following a strict diet. It's a lifestyle that nourishes your body, boosts your energy, and enhances your overall well-being. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine starts with simple changes. Begin by adding more whole, natural foods to your meals, like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-packed choices fuel your body and help reduce cravings for processed or sugary snacks. Staying hydrated is another cornerstone of good health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and helps maintain focus and energy. A great tip is to always carry a reusable water bottle to remind you to drink regularly. Portion control plays a key role in developing healthy eating habits. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. By listening to your body's hunger and fullness signals, you can avoid overeating and create a balanced plate. Try to include a variety of food groups to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. Planning ahead is also crucial. Preparing meals in advance and keeping healthy snacks on hand makes it easier to resist the temptation of fast food or unhealthy options when you're in a rush. This not only saves time, but ensures you stick to your goals. Finally, remember that healthy eating is about progress, not perfection. It's okay to enjoy your favorite treats occasionally. Balance and moderation are key. Making small, consistent changes to your diet can lead to big improvements over time, helping you feel better and live healthier. Start today, one step at a time, and watch how your life transforms. Portion control is also key. Listen to your body and aim for balanced plates that include a variety of nutrients. Planning ahead by preparing meals and keeping healthy snacks on hand can make a big difference, helping you avoid fast food and stick to your goals. And remember, healthy eating is about progress, not perfection. It's okay to enjoy your favorite treats in moderation. By making small, consistent changes, you can transform your health and well-being one step at a time. If you found this helpful and want more tips to improve your lifestyle, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content.